Most creators waste hours trying to make one decent video. I'm about to show you how to pump out unlimited cinematic shorts in minutes using a totally free tool. Listen up. While everyone's paying $30 a month for video tools that give them choppy AI clips, I found a way to create full 60-second stories with perfectly consistent characters. Zero cost, and it actually looks good. And the best part? You can make as many as you want. No limits, no credit cards, just results. Here's what nobody's telling you about Grok AI. Everyone thinks it's just Elon's chatbot for tweets. They're dead wrong. Grok has a hidden video feature that most people completely ignore. And when you combine it with a simple 3-step system I'm about to share, you can create professional-looking story videos that people actually watch. I'm talking full narratives, consistent characters, smooth scene transitions, the kind of stuff that normally takes a whole production team. But here's the thing. If you do this wrong, you'll get a jumbled mess. Random characters appearing out of nowhere. Scenes that don't connect. Total garbage. So in this video, I'm walking you through the exact process I use, step by step, nothing left out. And at the end, I'll show you the final result so you can see this actually works. Oh, and one more thing. Everything I'm showing you today, completely free. You don't need to pay for anything. Step 1, build your story foundation. Okay, first things first. We need a story, but not just any story. Most people fail right here because they think they can wing it. They hop into Grok, type some random idea, and wonder why their video looks like a fever dream. Here's the secret. You need structure before you start generating anything. So open up ChatGPT. Yeah, I know we're using Grok for video, but ChatGPT is perfect for planning. You could use Claude or any good AI, but ChatGPT works great for this. Now, here's the exact prompt I use. Screenshot this if you want. Create a 60-second adventure story with exactly 2 main characters to maintain visual consistency. The story must include mystery and friendship, written in simple cinematic language that's easy to visualize. Notice what I did there? I said exactly 2 characters. This is huge. The more characters you add, the harder it becomes to keep them consistent across scenes. 2 characters? Totally manageable. 5 characters? Good luck. But we're not done with the prompt yet. We need to give ChatGPT more direction. Add these 6 requirements right after your main prompt. 1. Duration of narration exactly 60 seconds. 2. Characters only 2 characters throughout the entire video. No random people showing up. 3. Hooks include a tension point or interesting moment every 5 to 7 seconds. 4. Tone fully cinematic with focus on visual actions, not internal thoughts. 5. Narrative pattern. Strong opening, building tension, satisfying resolution. 6. Genre, a mix of adventure with mystery and friendship elements. Hit enter and watch ChatGPT work. What you'll get is a tight, well-structured story that's already designed for video. Not some rambling novel. A real 60-second narrative. Now here comes the part most people skip, and it kills their whole project. Step 2. Break it into scenes. Your story's done. Great. But Grok can't take a full story and magically turn it into a video. You need to break it down scene by scene. Go back to ChatGPT and drop this prompt. Take the story you just created and break it into clear, detailed scene prompts. Each scene should describe what's happening visually, character actions, setting, lighting, and mood. Keep each scene between 5 to 8 seconds of screen time. Make sure every scene flows naturally into the next. The description should be straightforward and easy for an AI video generator to understand. This is where the magic happens. ChatGPT will split your story into bite-sized chunks, maybe 6 scenes, maybe 8, depends on your story. Each scene will have a clear description. Something like, Scene 1, foggy forest at dawn. Soft blue morning light filters through tall trees. Leo and Mira walk side by side, pushing branches aside. Their boots sink into wet leaves. A faint, mysterious hum vibrates in the air. Both characters look alert and focused. See how visual that is? No fluff, just pure description. That's exactly what Grok needs to generate good video. Now, here's something I learned the hard way. If your scene descriptions are vague, your videos will be vague. If they're specific, your videos will be specific. So take a minute and read through your scenes. Do they make sense? Can you picture them in your head? If yes, move forward. If no, ask ChatGPT to rewrite any scene that's unclear. All right, scenes are ready. Now let's jump into Grok. Step 3, generate your first scene in Grok. Open up Grok. If you don't have an account, just sign up. It's free. On the main screen, you'll see a little image icon. Click that. You'll land in the Imagine section. This is where all the visual magic happens. At the bottom, there's a toggle that says Image or Video. Make sure it's set to Image first. Yeah, I know that sounds weird. We're making a video, right? Trust me. We're gonna generate an image first, then turn it into video. This gives us way more control. Next, change the aspect ratio to landscape. This is important. If you leave it square or vertical, your final video won't look right for YouTube or most platforms. Now go back to ChatGPT, copy the description for scene 1, paste it into Grok. Hit enter. Wait a few seconds. Grok will generate a few image options. Look through them. Pick the one that matches your vision best. Usually the first one's pretty solid, but sometimes the second or third one nails it better. Once you've picked your image, click Make Video. Grok will automatically animate that image into a short video clip. It usually takes about 10 to 15 seconds. And boom, your first scene is done. Step 4, the secret to extending your video. Now, here's where most people hit a wall. They generate one clip and think, okay, cool, now what? They try generating the next scene from scratch, and suddenly the characters look totally different. The lighting's off, nothing matches. So here's the trick, and this is the whole reason your video will look professional instead of like random clips stitched together. You need to use the last frame of your first video as the starting point for your next video. Let me show you exactly how. Go back to the Grok homepage where your first video is playing. Pause the video, drag the progress bar all the way to the very last frame. Now right-click on the video and select Copy Video Frame. Head down to the prompt box and paste that frame. It should appear as an image. Now go back to ChatGPT and copy the description for scene 2. Paste that text right below the image you just pasted in Grok. Hit enter. Grok will now generate a new video that starts from that exact frame and transitions smoothly into your next scene. This is the secret sauce. This is how you maintain consistency across your entire video. Same characters, same lighting, same style. Without this step, your video will look like a random slideshow. With this step, it looks like a real film. Step 5, repeat for every scene. All right, now you just repeat this process for every scene in your story. Last frame of scene 2 becomes the first frame of scene 3. Last frame of scene 3 becomes the first frame of scene 4. You get the idea. Now, quick heads up. After the second or third time you do this, Grok might disable the prompt box at the bottom. Don't panic. This happens to everyone. Just click the Imagine icon again, then go to the Favorites or History section. You can keep generating from there. Also, be real with yourself. Not every generation will be perfect. Sometimes Grok will give you a weird angle, or the character's face might look slightly off. That's fine. Just regenerate. Since Grok Video is unlimited and free, you can keep trying until you get what you want. I usually regenerate 2 or 3 times per scene until I'm happy with it. And honestly, this is where patience pays off. Don't settle for mediocre clips. Keep pushing until each scene looks good. Once you've generated all your scenes, you're almost done. Step 6, add voiceover. Now your video's complete, but it's silent. We need a voice to tie it all together. For this, I use Google AI Studio, also completely free. Go to Google AI Studio and click Text-to-Speech with Gemini. Set the mode to single speaker. Then change the model from Gemini 2.5 Pro TTS to Gemini 2.5 Flash Preview TTS. This makes generation way faster. Now, go back to ChatGPT. Remember that original story text? Copy it. But here's the thing. That story might be a little too long now. So ask ChatGPT, shorten this story to fit exactly 60 seconds when read aloud at a natural pace. Copy the shortened version and paste it into Google AI Studio. Pick a voice you like. There are tons of options. I usually go with a warm, clear narrator voice. Hit run. In a few seconds, you'll have a professional-sounding voiceover. Download it. Step 7. Edit it all together. Final step. Open up a video editor. I use CapCut, but you can use anything. If you don't have editing software, just use Canva. It's free and works great for this. Import all your Grok video clips in order. Drop them on the timeline. Then drag your voiceover audio on top. Now just line everything up. Make sure each scene matches the part of the story being narrated. Trim clips if they're too long. Extend them if they're too short. Add some background music if you want. Keep it subtle. You don't want it overpowering the voice. And that's it. Export your video. You've just created a full cinematic story video using only free tools. Now, before I show you the final result, let me tell you something most people won't talk about. You can use this same exact process to create an entire YouTube channel. Think about it. You could make 10 of these videos in a single day. Post them as shorts. Post them as regular videos. Every single one is unique. Every single one is watchable. And here's the best part. These types of story videos are blowing up right now. People love short, emotional narratives. I've seen channels go from 0 to 100,000 subscribers in a few months just posting AI story content. But you have to do it right. You can't just spam random junk. You need the process I just showed you. Oh, and if you want to go even deeper into how to actually make money with this stuff, I break it all down inside my school community. We talk about monetization strategies, viral content frameworks, and how to build a real business with AI tools. Links in the description if you want to check it out. All right, enough talk. Let's watch the final video I made using this exact method.
Leo and Mira move through a foggy forest at dawn, boots sinking into wet leaves as a strange hum fills the air. A blue glow appears ahead, and Mira grabs Leo's arm, saying they finally found it. They reach a clearing with an ancient moss-covered arch. The hum gets louder, and the symbols on the stone light up. Leo touches them, even as Mira warns him not to. The ground shakes. A beam of light shoots upward, then bends toward them like something alive. It lashes at Mira, and Leo pulls her aside as they fall to the ground. They crawl forward and watch the beam form a floating map. Mira studies it and realizes it leads to a hidden valley. Wind rises. Cracks spread across the arch. Leo shouts that they have to choose now. Mira takes his hand and says they stay together. The map sinks into their palms, leaving a mark. The arch collapses and the forest goes silent. Leo and Mira smile, tighten their backpacks, and run toward the valley.
See that? Consistent characters, smooth transitions, a real story people would actually watch. And that took me maybe 45 minutes total, including all the regenerations. Once you get the workflow down, you can do it even faster. So here's what I want you to do right now. Don't just watch this and move on. Actually, try it. Open Grok. Open ChatGPT. Follow the steps I just gave you. Make your first video today. And when you do, drop a comment and let me know what story you created. I read every single one and I love seeing what you come up with. If this helped you, smash that like button. Seriously, it helps more people find this. And if you want more tutorials like this, hit subscribe. I'm dropping new AI workflows every single week. Oh, and one last thing. Don't sleep on this. The people who move fast on this stuff are the ones who win. While everyone else is still figuring out how AI works, you'll already have a library of videos ready to go. So get to work. I'll see you in the next one.